this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make an outdoor laser bench. Okay, so we have to make a basic shape with a rotated rectangle. We can set this rotated rectangle start from here. So then we can place it on this position. We can write 1300. So and then we can set the height of it around 2 meter maybe approximately. Okay, so then we can push it up around 2 meter also, and then we can see about it. And after that we can make the 2 point arc start from here. We can start from here anyway. Okay, we can use this, and then we can use this. Okay, so and then we can set the segment around 100s. Okay, and then we can set in this position, okay, approximately. So then we have to push it back, and we can make the offset it inside. We can offset it inside around 70 millimeter. So then we can push it to the back until the limit, and also we can just make it group anyway. But before it, we can make the tape measure tool to a guideline. So we can place to this position. We can set it around a 600 millimeter. Okay, just like this, and then we can uh, place on this position. We can okay, we can draw the line. Anyway, we can draw the line just like this. Maybe we can make the line first here. Maybe we can just make the line. Okay, we have to close this line first to make it more easily to make the basic pattern of this bench. Anyway, we can use this. We can draw it on face to make easier. Okay, we can draw it just something like this. Okay, and then we can draw it until, okay, and then we can erase, and then we can erase it also. So then we can click, and then we can move and duplicate it to the another position anyway on the right axis, for example. So then we can just make it group, and then we can flip it along with the green axis. So and then we can move and place to the other position of it. We can place on this position, and we can move push it to the back for the midpoint until the midpoint, and then we can push it to the forward until the midpoint also, and we can see about it. Yeah, this is about the outdoor bench, laser outdoor bench, and we can also adjust it manually. We can also adjust it manually. Okay, and then we can adjust it manually also. Okay, so we can make the another adjustment of it. We can click it, and then we can move place on this position. Okay, and then we can also move it this bench, and we can select move and place on this position, so it will be parallel position on it. Okay, and then we can make the surfaces. We can with the cladding. Okay, we can use this, and we can adjust the size of it. We can type 200 maybe, for example, or 100. Okay, it's enough, and then we can draw it also with 100. Then we can draw it with 100. So then we can set another concrete texture with this element anyway. Okay, and then we can draw it in here, and just something like that. And okay, I will give you about the dimension. Okay, you can follow the dimension anyway, but the radius, and you can draw the you can draw it. Okay, I will give you dimension anyway. I will give you about the thickness, and okay, just something like this. You can see about it, and I will give shadow to look more representative. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you on this tutorial, and just wait for my next tutorial in this channel. Thank you.